Camping season is officially here. In episode 1 of my obscure camping gear series, we covered kitchen and cooking essentials. Today, it's all about fire and warmth. Let's get into it. Now, these aren't your ordinary camping gear recommendations. These are things that you may not think about, or they're maybe less common, or just something that you may have missed. Okay, my first recommendation is getting a fire poker. Now, I have this awesome iron fire poker. It screws together in the middle, and it's very strong, and it's easy to stoke your fire when you're out there in the dark, and I love it. It's probably one of the best things because it's always really hard to go out there and try to find a stick that's gonna, not burn or is strong enough to stoke your fire. So just having this fire poker that's, easily stored is perfect for your campfire. Now, the next obscure camping gear that I recommend for your campfire is this tiny little pump. Now, normally you think of a pump, an air pump for your mattress, but this is actually something I use that's dedicated to my campfire. So when I can't get a campfire started because of wet wood or whatever the case may be, this is perfect to kind of give it some more oxygen so your campfire will actually burn. So it's very small. It stays in my camp bag where my fire and cooking supplies are, so I always have it in case I need it. I used it every trip in the winter when the firewood's wet, so this comes in very handy. Okay, when you're camping, it's always a good idea to have 2 different ways to start your fire, and what I mean by that is matches, which that's a common thing. But my backup is something I never really knew existed, and it's a USB charged lighter. Now, I haven't been using this very much. I've been using my matches, but if I need a backup, this is what I have. This comes in handy, so I highly recommend. I will have links down in the description for all these items, so if you want to go ahead and pick up something that you think you might enjoy, they'll be down in the box below. Now, if you're finding these tips helpful for your campfire and for warmth, why don't you go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And one of my favorite recommendations for keeping warm by the campfire is my Puffy Blanket. Now, this thing is awesome. I've showed it before on my channel. I've recommended it before, and maybe it's common, I don't know, but it is perfect for actually putting on top of your camp chair so you can sit on it, or you can wrap yourself in it to keep warm. I love it. It also keeps me warm at night too. I kind of snuggle with it. It's perfect. So what's your favorite obscure gear when it comes to fire and keeping warm? Drop them in the comments below so we can all peek into your camp gear box. Thank you so much for being here for episode 2 of my obscure camping gear recommendation series. Coming up is going to be all about sleep comfort, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on that new episode coming up soon. Thanks.